Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to this channel. In this channel, we are going to help you learn English. If you are a beginner and you can't talk or understand English, we are going to take you from this step to the level where you are able to understand, talk with native speakers. And the method that we're going to use in this channel is the natural method, which means that we're not going to teach you grammar as in a textbook. We are going instead, we are going to use movies, real conversations, and explain them. That's, my friends, is my method, is your way of learning. It's the way you are going to master English. So welcome to this channel.